Hello everyone, this is Tico Laser Creations. Thank you so much for stopping by to watch my content. Today we are going to be working on the assembly of my spice rack organizer. The link to this cut file and many more is down in the description of the video. This is by far one of the favorites in my store. So let's get right into it. We're going to start by assembling one of the organizer towers. Along with the cut file, you should have downloaded the instructions diagram sheet. There you can identify all of the parts and see the order they need to be assembled. We will assemble from top to bottom, putting together the top with the top sides, the center shelf with its sides, and finally, the bottom with its sides too. To finalize the towers, we now add the front and back pieces. As you can see, both towers are exactly the same. Now we work on the base of the organizer. We have a top base and a bottom base that we need to glue together. I'm using some clamps to make sure there is a good adhesion between the two parts. Then we add the divider plate and the back plate. Almost done. Finally, we're going to be working on the sliders/spacers. We take the bigger part and add some glue. Next, we add the bottom spacer. Here I'm using a pin to make sure they are well centered, but it isn't necessary if you can do it without it. Once we mount the bottom spacer, we add a bit more glue in the middle spacer. Once you have those three parts all together now, we're just going to take one of the towers, mount it, and align it to the base. And at the bottom, you can see the little circle mark through the slider channel. That is exactly where the spacer slider goes. Just add some strong glue and make sure to align everything together and put the spacer slider there. We do the exact same process with the second tower, and now you are done. Good job! Let me thank you once more for watching this tutorial. If you enjoyed it or it was helpful, please don't forget to click the subscribe button and like the video.